This 2012 Audi Q7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi Q7 TDI Premium Plus 3.0 LV6 diesel engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, panoramic sunroof, navigation system, rear view camera, heated front seat, heated rear seat, heated exterior mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic xenon headlights, steering wheel controls, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, Bluetooth, phone, power windows, power door locks, remote trunk release, gray metallic exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Audi Q7 TDI Premium Plus is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the EV, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.